So, it's normal for students that they make some names for their favorite professor, and it's good if they're not so complicated that they're pronounceable. And this triggered the thing that I say, why don't we have today a lecture about English? Something that I noticed, and you probably noticed them too, as you may see here on the table already, what it's all about. And yes, I'm not particularly good in languages, although I speak four. One is really similar to our native language, and the other is German and English, which I was learning in school. And then I also worked abroad, so I was forced to use it, and I know them, but mostly I'm using English. So what is it all about? Yes, the pronunciations. The words are differently written, but pronounced really much the same. For example, man, plural, man is the same, while for women we say women, where we get I here, I don't know, and woman. You know, quite strange. And then sun, the star of our solar system, and son, the descendant from mother and father. I mean, you know what this means. And again, gas or gas. To me, it sounds really the same. Feel. Feel the joy, feel the pain, or feeling the formula. Then we have this one, really dead or dead. It sounds the same to me. And then again, sleep or sleep, the same. And more computer one, bite or bite. And this one is for dog, maybe, yes. And the final one, for me, Bill is a name, our boss, for example, and it's also a paper money, dollar bill, for example, or the bill which you get when you're spending things, and the paper where it says how much did you spend and you need to pay. And finally, we have three words which are complicated for me to pronounce, but I've learned them, and the first one is conscientiousness, not consciousness, conscientiousness, and it means the quality of wishing to do one's work or duty well. Then it's thorough, complete with regard to every detail, not superficial or partial. And finally, subliminal, perceived by or affecting someone's mind without they being aware of it. So that's it for today. Thank you for your attention, and according to your responses, it seems we see you soon. Yeah, I want to add that this additional dot on my nose is just temporary. It will disappear. So it's not about the passion, it's just maybe about testosterone. And yes, probably every language has coincidences that appear, and we also have some words that are the same. But it's different. Anyway, it doesn't matter.